Hello everyone and welcome to another video tutorial. In this video we are going to enable gZip compression on our website. So before I go and edit the core files, I would like you to show the gZip test. Okay. Paste and check. So it will check if our site is gZip enabled or not. So it says no, it's not gZip. gZip is not enabled. So to enable the gZip, all you need to do is log into admin panel, and after that go to options.php. You can access the options.php by typing the website URL, after that /wp-admin/options.php. And now find gZip by pressing Ctrl F and type gZip. Yeah, here it is. So right now it's 0, and in the binary 0 means no and 1 means yes. So to enable the gZip, all you need to do is change the value from 0 to 1 and save the changes. I would not recommend you to playing any other setting here, because they are core changes of your WordPress. Okay, now after enabling the gZip, go to the SEO tab here and click the edit files, and here is the code. You can find this code in the supplementary section of this video, and it will create a configuration file in our health access that will compress the files which are in format of OTF, TTF, PNG, ICO, as well as the text, HTML, XML, CSS. So all you need to do is just copy this whole code, and in the health access file, after the hash and WordPress, press enter and paste the whole code and save changes. Okay, so this code means that it will enable the gZip compression on the PNG file, on ICO file, on .woff file, on EOT file, and as well as on the JavaScripts, on RSS, XML, XHTML, text, CSS, and all other application or text and the images medias. And let's go now and check if now our website is gZip enabled or not. So put the URL and check. Okay, so it says it's the green now and says that yes, it is gZip enabled. Okay, so by this way we can enable the gZip and compress our text size and save the bandwidth. Okay, so this is all for this video, and thanks for watching it.